Okay, team two, how you guys doing? All right, nothing like going out with a bang, huh? This is amazing. Your work is really incredible here. I think this is remarkable. I think you've done such a fantastic job here, and I think each of your team members should be very proud to be able to include this piece in their student portfolio as evidence of experience with collaborative work, specifically using human-centered design and design thinking. So this is fantastic. Let's go ahead and start with the video. The video is great. Where the heck is it? Here it is, right here. I think this was I think this was Michelle with the recorded video. So great job there. So far, you're the only team that has turned in the video. So good job. Let's go ahead and take a look at the clickable prototype, which is just gives such a great idea of the intent here. I think it's really fantastic, and it's fully functional and really gives the viewer an exact idea of what this app and what the intent here is behind the interface engagement associated with the vehicle configurator. So really fantastic job here. And that is the entire 9-page each. It's fully clickable too, so that's amazing stuff. There's a great job. All right, let's go to the presentation. I think the presentation is fantastic. I really do. So we got table of contents, good introduction. You've included the words HCD and design thinking, as well as prototyping and team project in the cover. So that's fantastic, giving your viewer, potential portfolio reviewers, and potential hiring professionals when that time comes, a really good insight into what they're getting themselves involved in before they go through the actual process book itself. So fantastic job. Table of contents, meet the team. Nice work. What's the problem? This is good writing, guys. Really very complete work here. Problem analysis is written beautifully. Nice job. Deep dive problem solving. Good job tying in deep dive with the project as it pertains to the project, and surfacing your deep dive problem solving techniques. A little bit of research analysis here, and then your team solution. This is fantastic. Now we go to personas, and the nice thing about personas is you followed each persona by a scenario. I mean, whoever did your sketches even put the dude in the same outfit. That's just so good. That's just good stuff, guys. Then we have Amanda, age 45. We have Chris. We've got 3 completely different demographic groups here with the scenario. So that's fantastic stuff in and of itself. Final persona is Marcus at age 38, married with 1 child. Blue collar worker, active as a family man. Excellent. Marcus's scenario, great job. Concept sketches right here. Let me see, concept sketches. I would say possible solution concept sketches here, because we go from scenarios to concept sketches. So we kind of want to make this transition to allow the viewer to know that right now our scenarios are done, our personas and scenario section is done. Right now we're going into concept sketches, but concept sketches of what? I would say concept sketches of possible solutions. Then you have your 3 possible solutions. And then you come over here, and here you can say, multi-panel touch screen kiosk, wireframe concept, and holographic display and wires. So these are the 3 possible solutions as well. So you have multi-page touchscreen kiosk. So, and then you have the wireframe associated with that. So just, I would say just go ahead and somehow indicate that this is still one of the possible solutions and not the final solution. Same thing with the holographic display. We have the wireframe, and then the wall train touch monitor. Then you go to final solution being the wall touchscreen monitor. But I think, again, it's important to indicate that these are scenarios. I'm sorry, these are possible solutions. So these are representations of possible solutions as opposed to the final solution, which is indicated right here, wall screen touch monitor. Now, what I would recommend here in the wall screen touch monitor, I would recommend taking the rendering here and just kind of really detailing it out, showing how you enter this specific area of the dealership, maybe the doorways going in, and what that room looks like, as opposed to just jumping right into the user interacting with that interface. Okay, then you have your kind of final solution description. Great job. Prototypes, we're going into testing now. That's fantastic. Prototypes look great. User analysis, testing analysis. Good job. I think you have your digital prototype, digital user testing. You got your tasks. That's fantastic stuff right there. And then you're showing images of the actual test subject interacting with the um, interface. Again, fantastic. User testing. That's great stuff, guys. Just fantastic work. I think it's very, very complete. Then we have our final interface screens showing the citations and resources. Excellent. Just fantastic job, guys. Just really fantastic job. Okay, so you guys are ready to submit. This is great stuff. So if you have any questions at all, please let me know. But definitely really outstanding work here. Thank you so much for sharing.